Hey, Tim again. I got a good little fact for you. If you don't force yourself to improve, your life will never improve. And it's all done through discomfort. Now, if you keep doing the same things, everybody's programming you to go the easiest route. Heck, your brain's a damn war zone in there, boy. It's telling you everything, the easiest route to do anything. Just the next time you go to do something, stop for a second, and your mind will sit there and try to talk you out of doing it. It'll say, oh, it's too cold, it's too rainy out, or anything. It'll make up all kinds of excuses just so that you won't try something different, because it likes that little comfort zone. So if you aren't working in discomfort, then you ain't gonna be doing nothing, because everything's gonna be the same. Now, like I said earlier, if some people live the same year over and over 70 times and call it a life. Now, that ain't no life. I know, I've done that for over 50 plus years. All that time, I damn was working and busting my butt. I wasn't thinking about, hey man, what can I do to make money on my own? Like I say, I try to spread the word so people don't go so long into life before they realize they need to jump out and do something, man. Because if you don't, you're just working for somebody else, and they're going to benefit from it. If you ain't trying to make yourself better, then your life ain't gonna get better. I give a lot of my ambitions as far as work and stuff to repetition, because way back, my mom pawned me off my aunt and uncle, and like a while later, she come back, she got married, and he decided he wanted a son, so I guess I was like a pet project. Went back up to Michigan and busted my butt, boy. He'd work you. I always thought he was an asshole. I mean, maybe he was, but we'd cut wood all the time, and I mean, always putting myself in discomfort. And like we go top woods, and damn, it'd take 23 buckets of a backhoe to fill a semi truckload, and we'd do like 2 a day. And I mean, just busting my butt on stuff. And then we had a big old pile of damn wood to split. We'd back up with a wood splitter and cut the hell out of that. I mean, it's all repetition. And when you're trying to learn things and do things, it's mostly not psychology. It's physiologically. It's physical. Because it's physical, because your repetition is training your mind to do it. It's like work. Like I started working out every day. It was discipline to start working out every day, but after a while it becomes a habit, because your mind starts doing that. It's like you see somebody doing something all the time or whatnot, and you say, I wish I could be that disciplined. It's not discipline. It's discipline a little while when you make yourself do it, but then it turns into a habit. And then, like every day I go work out. It ain't got nothing to do with discipline, because I go in and I just start doing it. And I'll do it. I've been doing it every freaking day. I mean, it turned into a damn habit. The discipline part was just a little bit of it to get me going. And what else? I think of things as instead of saying, oh, I gotta do this, or this is part of my routine, blah blah blah, I call it a damn, boy, I'm drawing a blank a lot today. I call it a damn ritual. And I do my rituals. I get up, I take care of what I need to with the house and all that stuff. I do my damn working out ritual. I go ahead and do my dog ritual. I take care of all them things. I usually just do them all in the morning. I don't know if I need to start making these videos earlier, because apparently my brain starts getting too much in it as the day goes on. And that's another big thing too. When you get up in the morning, do something smart, something to get your mind going in a good way, not like scrolling or watching a little TV or something. Like read something, read a book, sit quietly and think of things for the future. Think of things you can do to better yourself, because if you don't start bettering yourself, nothing's going to get better. I think that's the problem with everybody, boy. They dang fight so hard to stay comfortable. I mean, you got your TV and anything you want to go out of line to do, your ass is trying to get out of it. Your mind will just start automatically trying to talk you out of getting ahead of anything, because it likes that comfort zone. It wants to. It's like when you mention, oh, I'm tired, your body will shut right down and just start making you feel tired. You got to push yourself, man. You got to know one thing: action is law. And the second you go to do something, do it. Because the second you think about it, like I said, your mind will start talking you out of it. Now, since I started living like this, I mean, it's taking a load off. I'm getting everything I wanted my whole life, to clear my head and my mind, to getting things I want, to getting things done. And all this time, I know I was too busy working and all that stuff. I can blame it on that. But if I'd have spent like 5-10 minutes a day, maybe an hour or two at damn, the weekend or whatever, instead of just going on in this damn circle, round and round, what I say earlier, damn, people live 1 year 70 times and call it a life. I know, like I say, I did that for over 50 plus years, probably better at 50 plus. But, and it's hard, man. You just got to focus. I don't know, like I say, nothing's going to change unless you change it. And it's done through discomfort, man. It's just, if you just sit there in your comfort zone, you're still in the loop. You're going round and round and round. It's all out there. All I can say is go for it. Not tomorrow, today. Because like I say, your mind will talk you out. It'll say, oh, tomorrow, or I'll try again next week, or I'll get it done sometime. If you don't push yourself, you'll never go anywhere. That's about it, man. Like, share, subscribe. I don't know. I wish I could be a little more clear. Look up Chase Hughes. Chase Hughes has taught me a lot of stuff, boy. It's damn clearing my mind. I mean, just reading and writing. Like I say, physical workout. Try to put good things in your head so good things come out. And yeah, I put trash in my head at night, and I'm sure all the trash you hear and all the trash you talk. But like I say, you just gotta work it, man. Peace out.
Nobody wants to hear this, but everything you want to accomplish is on the other side of what you don't feel like doing. Lock in.